Toilet repairs. The proper functioning of the toilet may be disrupted due to blocks or clogs in the PVC pipe extending to the leach pit. Sometimes the plastering of the Y chamber and the leach pit may develop cracks or get damaged. It is essential to identify such problems and take timely and corrective measures for the smooth working of the toilet. In this session, we will see how to conduct minor repairs when encountered with such problems. At the end of this session, you will be able to identify the problems that affect the smooth functioning of the toilet, perform minor repairs of the toilet. First, let's take a look at the tools and materials required for performing repairs for the toilet. The tools required are trowel, mortar mixing pan, chisel, hammer, hacksaw, and clog remover. The materials required are rubber gloves, face mask, PVC coupler, solvent cement, and sand. The most common problem encountered while using the toilet is that the toilet may get blocked. Let's see some of the measures to be taken when the toilet gets blocked. There are chances that objects like soap dish or sanitary pads might fall into the toilet and block the channel. This can be removed by hand with the help of a rod or stick. It is essential to wear gloves while doing so. If the block gets to the P-trap bend, we would need to use a clog remover to disperse the clog to the Y chamber. If the clog does not get removed by using a clog remover, we need to pull it out through the Y chamber. For this, we first need to remove the lid of the Y chamber. Now, use a flexible stick to remove the clog. Another problem that one may encounter is that the PVC pipe extending to the leach pit from the P-trap may get damaged. In such a case, we need to replace the PVC pipe accordingly with a PVC coupler. Now, let's see the steps involved in replacing the PVC pipe. First, identify the area where the PVC pipe is damaged. Remove the mud beneath the area up to 10 centimeters, leaving a gap of 5 centimeters from the damaged portion of the pipe towards the toilet structure. Measure the length of the PVC pipe extending up to the leach pit. Add a length of 10 centimeters to this. This will be the length of the PVC coupler that is to be replaced. Cut and separate the PVC pipe to the required length. The other end of the PVC pipe attached to the leach pit should be removed by chiseling the plastered portion. Measure and cut PVC coupler of required length. Apply solvent cement on both the PVC coupler and the PVC pipe extending from the P-trap. Insert the PVC coupler into the PVC pipe in such a way that the coupler faces the toilet structure. Plaster the other end of the PVC coupler with the walls of the leach pit. Fill the excavated area. It is important to observe the structure of the pit at regular intervals, as it might develop cracks over a period of time. This should be plastered immediately. With that, we've come to the end of this session. In this session, we have learned to identify the problems that affect the smooth functioning of the toilet, perform minor repairs for the toilet.